Hello everyone. Let's dive into the Samsung 128GB DDR4 ECC LRDIMM, specifically the M386 AK40B40 CWD model. This isn't your everyday RAM. It's a powerhouse designed for servers and servers only. So, if you're thinking about popping this into your desktop, laptop, or even a standard PC, think again. It simply won't work. This module boasts a massive 128GB capacity, utilizing DDR4 technology with speeds reaching up to 2,666 MHz. It adheres to the PC4-21300 standard, also known as PC4-2666V. The ECC load-reduced LRDIMM design is crucial here. ECC, or error-correcting code, memory is all about data integrity. It detects and corrects errors on the fly, which is paramount for server applications where stability and accuracy are non-negotiable. The load-reduced aspect means it minimizes the electrical load on the memory bus, allowing you to pack more RAM into your server without overwhelming the system. The 8RX4 configuration, also described as 3DS2S4RX 4-octal rank X4, indicates its internal organization. This refers to how the memory chips are arranged and accessed, impacting performance and density. It's built to the JEDEC DDR4 standard, operating at a cool 1.2V, which helps with power efficiency. Now, compatibility is key. This memory is explicitly for select server systems. It's crucial to verify that your server supports ECC load-reduced LRDIMMs before purchasing. Mixing this type of memory with other ECC types, like ECC registered, ECC unbuffered, or even non-ECC unbuffered, is a recipe for disaster. Memory compatibility can vary significantly between different server models and their installed components. Always consult your server's documentation and follow memory channel guidelines to ensure optimal performance. The primary benefit of upgrading to this 128GB module is expanding your server's available memory resources. This translates to improved performance, reduced bottlenecks, and an increased workload capacity. If your server is struggling to keep up with demanding applications or virtual machines, this memory upgrade could be a game changer. It allows your system to handle more data in memory, reducing the need to constantly access slower storage devices. In summary, the Samsung 128GB DDR4 ECC LRDIMM is a specialized piece of hardware designed for server environments. Its high capacity, error-correcting capabilities, and load-reduced design make it an excellent choice for those looking to boost their server's performance and stability. Just remember to double-check compatibility before you buy.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.